he is.
Alright guys, got a battery in it. We already started it, so we're already excited.
You can move that back.
Oh, you can?
Forward and shit, yeah. This is fucking amazing right now. I'm so fucking happy. Ah, dude. I haven't been in a V6 one of these in a minute. Like the jump from the 4-cylinder to the 6, I think it's like, I can't remember, 40 horsepower. Like the V6s were just fun, dude. Dang, this is fucking awesome. Oh, window maybe?
Little frosty.
I need lubrication on those. I'm not gonna fuck with them right now. Think we should go out or no?
Yeah. Hit the roads.
Yeah. Oh shit. I got no fucking traction. Oh, she gets it, dude.
Yes, it does.
I love these fucking V6s, dude. Oh man, it's great. See the Matt's at his shop. Look at that, baby. Woo! Let's go.
Got up to 50 there?
Yeah, 55. See what Matt's at. This thing, I can't believe it, man. The guy said he originally had it for sale for $3,800 when they were selling it from the dealer, like when it was on the lot and all that.
When it was working.
Yeah.
Huh.
But then that guy fled, and took money, and then whatever else happened.
Hey, there's a car.
I need some snow tires, dude. Did it pop?
Yeah, it did
It
pop.
just crackle, didn't
Yeah.
it? Oh, dude, what? She sounds good,
Yeah.
bro. She is smooth. wreck this thing right now.
It'll be a bad day.
Yeah.
There's a nice breeze going in. This really doesn't catch as much air as I would have thought.
Not that bad.
Swing it. That didn't work too well. Sick, dude.
Oh god.
Heck yeah.
This is fucking Well guys, it's too good to be true. She ran amazing while it ran. We took it around the block a couple times, you know, but it randomly just died and now it won't start again. So I already checked all the fuses. So yeah, but check engine light is on, so I'm gonna see if I can figure out what the code is. I don't know if you guys know how to check these 80s model vehicles or whatever, like on the Fieros. But there's this, sorry guys, cut out. But there's a port in here right behind the cigarette lighter cover. It's right there. And you'll see these those bottom two prongs right there, those gold ones. So you have to cross those. So you put a wire or a piece of metal, whatever, to join those two together. And then go here, click it on, and then you have to count the blinks. And they'll be spaced out perfectly so you'll know what code is what or whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much how you check it. So I'm gonna do that right now and see what comes up. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, so I figured out it was the map sensor because I was just curious, right? I unplugged it, so it wasn't starting at all with it plugged in. Unplugged it, started, but it ran like complete dog shit, which means this thing is failing to where it's just probably dumping so much fuel that it's just not starting, if that makes sense. That's my personal thought on it, but yeah, so I unplugged it, ran like dog. So my buddy's gonna pick up a new one. They're freaking $70, it's crazy, but yeah, so we'll get that switched over and it should start right up. But that's gonna be it, man, for this video. Got the red one started, or not red, yellow. So there's gonna be quite a few things I gotta do to this. New tail lights, definitely a paint job, but that'll be last. Gotta remove this because I need this fiberglass repaired. So I'll probably just end up sending that in to get that done. I ain't gonna try that myself because the shop we rented has certain restrictions. You can't do like any type of body work. You can work on cars and stuff. There's no type like paint jobs, welding, stuff like that. So yeah, I'll end up sending that in. A couple little tweaks here and there. There is electrical issues that I gotta figure out. But yeah, man, that's it. 85 Pontiac Fiero GT started, ran. Sounds amazing. And I don't mind those tips. It's pretty clean. So, oh, and that passenger headlight stopped going down. So I gotta figure that out. Probably get that rebuild kit for the headlights. But yeah, that's it, man. That'll be it for this video on the yellow GT. I'll post another one on these two. I'll probably do these two in the same series video. We'll see, because they're both going to be kind of slow going. So yeah, probably both in the same series. It'll just make more sense, a little bit better content, I guess. But yeah, that's it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, man, please, and subscribe, please. Peace.